Hello and welcome to this video. In this tutorial we're going to show you how to use Power Apps on Microsoft by using CoPilot. Now to understand a bit further, CoPilot is an AI feature that allows you to describe what you need in plain English. In Microsoft Power Apps, this gives you the opportunity to describe what types of apps you need and what data the app should collect. CoPilot builds a responsive Canvas apps application, and through the processing of building it creates a dataverse table with columns and populated sample data. An environment deployed in the United States region in English language is required to use CoPilot in your Power Apps environment. In this post, I'll be showing you how to create a new environment deployed in the United States region and how to create a leave management application using CoPilot. Now the first step is to log in into the Power Platform Admin Center. To do that, at the left-hand center, you're going to go click on Environment. Step on 3, you're going to click on New. Step 4, once you've clicked on New on the right-hand side, you're going to enter the name of the environment on the name section. After that, you're going to select the language, which should be the English language. Sometimes you can pick either the United States or the United Kingdom. On currency, select the currency you need. You will want to turn on Deploy Sample Apps and Data and click on Save. Developer environment in a Microsoft 365 developer account has limitations on the number of environments that can create, so please take notice of it. After creating the environment, we had an error message. We had to delete the environment that I was not using and start the process of recreating another developer environment. Step 6 is to log into Power Apps. Change the environment. Change the environment to the newly created environment by clicking on Environment. Click on the newly created environment. You can easily use these options to create your application and have the experience on how it works. But here, we'll be creating a leave management system application. On the box, enter Leave Management System and wait for it to load. CoPilot creates a leave management system dataverse table with columns and a few populated data in the columns. Columns that have been created: IDs, names, leave tables, start dates, end dates, status, reason, and comment. On the chart at the right hand side table, describe the column you want added to the dataverse table. Here we used add the performance manager column to the table. The next column, performance manager, has been created. Click on the create app section on the bottom right. This will create a responsive Canvas apps application that has forms and galleries on the same screen, and you can see by this GIF. This video shows you can enter the new data, edit the already existing data, and delete the data. And this is all of the blog. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give a like and a subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.